Welcome to ADT Sharda Bai Pawar Mahila Arts Commerce Science College Shardanagar Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra brought for you subject secretarial practice in which we are learning chapter number 5 deposit. So students, let's learn the next and final question from this chapter, that is procedure for accepting the public deposit. So students, you know what is public deposit. Now we will learn the procedure of accepting the deposit from the public by the company. In the last video, student, we had learned the procedure for accepting deposit from the members. So near about steps and procedure will be the same and some points will be different. So let's see what are the different and same point here. So only eligible public company can accept the deposit from public, that we have already learned. Following is the procedures to be followed for accepting the deposit from public. Okay, so let's learn the first one, students, that is holding board meeting. Yes, so hold board meeting is the first step of any issue or anything or any decision. Holding board meeting is very important. So board meeting is held to pass the resolution to accept the deposit from public. The details of amount of deposit, terms and condition of etc. of the issue is decided in the meeting. So students, you can write the notes till here only in this meeting. After that, next is hold a journal meeting. So after the board meeting, what is important, students? Company holds the journal meeting of the shareholder. Why they holds the journal meeting of the shareholder? To get the approval from them for accepting the deposit. A special resolution is passed and it has to be filed with the registrar of company. Okay, and need to be with RBI also. Means after the approval of shareholder, the decision will be filed with the registrar of companies. Now the third point is hold board meeting. Yes, board meeting is held to approve the draft advertisement. So the second board meeting will be held to decide the circular and advertisement. You know that circular is given to the member, but the advertisement will be given to the public. So all necessary information regarding in respect of issue of terms and conditions and the credit rating of that company should be given in the advertisement, and the draft should be signed by majority of the directors. Now the next point is students appointment of banker, that you already know. The company has to appoint a banker where the applicants will be submitting their application form along with the deposit money. Our fifth point is students obtain credit rating. This point was also there in the accepting the deposit from member as well. So obtaining the credit rating, so a company has to obtain the credit rating from the recognized credit rating agency, and this rating should be mentioned in the advertisement. Now the sixth point is student appointment of deposit trustee. Yes, students, the company has to appoint the one or more deposit trustee, and they should sign the deposit trust deed, and the terms and condition of the issue must be mentioned on that. Next is take a deposit insurance. Yes, student, if the company is issuing public deposit, they has to take deposit insurance. So company enter into an agreement with the insurance company for taking deposit insurance, and the agreement should be signed at least 30 days before. So remember the period, student, that insurance must be signed 30 days before. Next point is file a copy of advertisement with the registrar of company. So a company of the advertisement has to be filed with the registrar of company, a copy of advertisement must be filed with the registrar of company. 30 days after the filing with the registrar of company can publish the advertisement. So after the advertisement is done, that file should be, the advertisement file and prospectus should also be filed with the registrar of company. Next point is advertisement to public. Yes, ninth point is advertisement to the public. Company has to issue the advertisement after 30 days of filing it with the registrar of company. So once it is filed to the ROC, then only it will be filed to the public. The advertisement has to publish in one English newspaper or one vernacular newspaper, means regional language, and in one in English newspaper having the wide circulation, means that newspaper must be sold or bought by most of the people in that state or city or the region where the company's registered office is located. Now the next point is 10th one, upload the advertisement on the company's website. Whatever the advertisement is given to the general public, that should be uploaded on the company's official website. And the 11th point says collect the application money. Company informs the bankers to collect the application form along with the application money and the amount of deposits. So company informed the banker to collect the application money along with the deposit money. 12th point is issue deposit receipt. Yes, student, the company has to issue the deposit receipt. Company has to issue the deposit receipt within 21 days from the date of receipt of money or check. 13 point says create a charge on asset. You know what is creating charge on asset. If the company has issued the secured debenture, they have to create charge on a particular asset for the security and repayment of that deposit amount to deposit holder. So company issuing the secured deposit has to create a charge on asset within how many days? 30 days of acceptance of deposit. And 14th point is make entry in the registered of deposit. Yes, within 7 days from the date of issue of deposit, secretary has to enter the details of depositor in the register of deposit. This entry have to be verified by the authorized officer. And now the last point is student file the return of deposit with the registrar of company. So the company has to file the return on deposit before 30 June every year, and in this return the information will be of till 31st March. So student, here our 5th chapter is over, and after your second online test we will start the next chapter, 6th one. Till then, keep doing study and ask me your doubt in the meet session. Thank you.